Hey everyone, welcome to week 3 of 7 for your quantitative reasoning. So we are already getting ready to finish up Unit 2 this week and we'll be doing your Unit 2 wrap-up. Just a reminder, you only have 2 attempts on this assessment, but you can review it between your attempts and it is timed. So we are already about halfway done with the course. You guys are doing a great job, so let's keep up that hard work. I just wanted to make sure to note again, if you guys are using Lumen and you happen to fall behind, just make sure you guys are using a late pass so you are getting a score for that. And again, a little reminder that our due dates are now on Mondays, so everything for week 3 will be due by Monday, the 30th at 11:59. So you will have some preview and practice assignments. We're going to be looking at 5A through C. You have your Unit 2 Lesson 5 quiz, and then you'll be moving on to finish up Unit 2 with 7A through 7C. You also need to be working on your mid-semester project. This due date will be coming up quickly. So let me quickly put myself into student views so we can take another look at your mid-semester project. Again, projects are 45% of your grade, so this is not something you want to fall behind on. So mid-semester project, a little reminder that is due February 13th. You're welcome to turn it in beforehand and I will take a look at it. But again, watch this video. You guys are going to be asking a minimum of 20 people. You can gladly ask more. The more data you have, the better. A question of your choice, which I will be approving once that discussion board is in. So by the time you guys are watching this video, your questions should all be approved and you guys should be well on your way to starting your project. Make sure you guys are reading through all these instructions and that you guys are utilizing the tools that we put in here. So your data collection tool to keep everything organized. The information that you're collecting for your mid-semester project, you will be using for your end-of-semester project. So it's super important that you're keeping all this information until you're finished with the course. Again, little hint here, you can use this .plotmaker website because you're going to have to turn that in. So if you have any questions with this, though, just make time to meet with me, or you can come to student hours. There are also printable directions if you want to print these off and cross the questions out as you go. My expectation is that you're either writing these in a formal paper or you're doing a PowerPoint or a video of some sort, making sure to support your answers using mathematical language and data, that we're using full sentences. So just like you would in an English class, when you're writing for math, you're going to do the same exact thing. But if you have any questions or need any clarification on that, please just reach out and I'm happy to meet with you guys. All right, I hope you guys all have a great week 3. And again, if you need anything, please reach out.